Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. This is a channel about a Python program, a bot, that is meant to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with as goal automated trading, so to have some passive income. And in a daily report, I show you guys what did I change in the code, how did the bot do, and how did we do on the market. So let's get in and see what did happen this week. And as usual, I start with the code. And what did I change in the code? Well, look back to the video of yesterday. I did make some changes yesterday, and I did not make any changes today in the code. Which means that today we're only going to see how the bot performs. And you see right here, down here, the responses of the log with the information I needed to see if the log contract end is actually being doing. And I can see that it does, so I don't understand what's going wrong there, but that's something for in the weekend. I'm not gonna take a look at that right now. So no changes in the code. I suspect that we get a very short video today again. So no changes in the code. Let's see how we do on the bot. And if we look at the bot, you see that the final trade we made today was one that triggered the 4 times 5 minutes, although 20 minutes maximum opening of a contract. So that's the last one, 4 times 5 minutes, meaning that we had 20 minutes a profitable position, and then the bot will kill this automatically. And today we're gonna see that this last final was €8.18 profit, and the totally day profit was almost €35. And that sounds nice, but we talked about it yesterday. Well, we're gonna see it in the results, but the bot did function as it should be, as it's programmed to do. No things that runs wrong or crashes or error. No, it did do what it should be doing, so no complaints about the bot functioning of today. And now we can go on to the final point, and that is the market, and see how we did on the market. And the market today was a downtrended market. We see a lot of downtrend coming in there. I'm going to give you guys the 1 hour. There you have it. We have the 1 hour market, and you see today it was one big going down, 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 down. So we had a long downtrend of the entire day, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours. 10 hours straight going down. I know. US market, with all the things that Trump is doing and all the things that's happening over there, I don't think that there is much confidence of the companies after putting a lot of tariffs on EU countries, Canada, Mexico, and even in Japan. Then we have a problem in the US market, because it's the shareholders that determine how well it goes with a company. So if the president decides that the price goes up, it's the shareholders who actually gonna pay for this, because they earned profits per share, EPS, And if the profits per share goes down, then shareholders gonna sell their shares and go and look for investment somewhere else. And if they do so, then we get something like this, that an entire day shareholders say, goodbye, we're gonna take a look somewhere else in a different environment, probably, maybe, yeah, you never know, but rearm Europe, weapons manufacturers, defensive, yeah, could be. So we had a very long day only going down, and the bot picked this up, of course. And even if we go and look at the 5 minutes, then we see that it went down, but a lot of blue and red candles in the mix. So the general trend today was going down. Let's make this a bit bigger. The general trend today was going down, but there were some up candles too. And so the bot picked this up, and let's see how we did. We make almost 35. So let's take a look. And we see a lot of positions opened with, red and blue. The biggest one I see is this one with 24 euro profit, and then a 5 and a 1 and a 2, and that's a 7. With in the down we have a 3, a 3, a 4, a 2, a 65 cents, a 3, and another 3. So in general, we had ups and downs, and we tested today. It's the first day of testing with the 3 candle AI. So that's new for today versus the other 4 days we did this week was a 1 candle AI. Now we tested a 3 candle AI. And I will not claim that we have found the right way, because like I said yesterday, it could be pure luck that the bot made such a profit as it did today, and only if we're gonna see this in a continuous way next week, then we can carefully make predictions that we think that this could maybe somehow, probably, I don't know which words are more there to be cautious. Cautious is one with the words that we can say the bot is getting profitable based on the AI. For today, we really see it has been profitable because we ended yesterday with 482 and we're now at 516. So we made a profit today, that's clear. But was this enough? Is this what we're looking for? Is this the holy grail? I don't know. It's Friday, and we need to take a look at it next week and how the AI reacts for next week. So how did we do the entire week? Well, we know yesterday we had a lot of red candles because of the AI, and the other ones are not even better. The week started, if I'm correct, at March 24th. So we started this week. I'm looking for it. Is this March 24th? So this is March 24th, yes. So we started the week with 522 this week, and we ended at 516. 516. So 522, yeah. Oh, after an entire week with a lot of bad trades, these one, we corrected almost all the bad trades we had this week in one day. and we only took a loss of €6 during the week, and that's good, because we were still testing, and we're testing the one candle AI, and today was the first day that we tested a 3 candle AI. But that does not say everything. Let's go on. Let's dive into the weekend. I wish you all a good weekend, and let's see how we're gonna do in the next week with this new 3 candle AI. If you like what I'm doing, press like, subscribe if you want to know more about it, and if you want to keep in the loop of how this passive income bot is progressing, and we nearing more and more the end of this. There are no big mistakes in the bot. We are fine-tuning again into what is the best strategy for the AI to function. And maybe soon, we're gonna find out that we have a bot that actually does what it should be doing. But nothing is guaranteed. The profits of yesterday are no guarantee of the profits of tomorrow. So we will see, but it looks good. And if you want to know how this is progressing, subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, how we're doing on the bot. Have a little fun every day, and see you guys next week.